Hi family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I will be doing a special video. It ain't special, but just something I'm doing for my mommy. So I went grocery shopping for her and I'm gonna cook her some stuff. So what I'm going to cook is I have some spinach here, some yellow squash, some zucchini, brown rice because she don't do white rice a lot. I got some chickpeas, kidney beans, some spaghetti sauce. I got some spinach. It's my first time trying this, and it's for stir fry. So I got that sauce. I got some Alfredo sauce. I got some whole grain spaghetti, sweet potato here. I purchased this also, ziti, and I purchased this tricolor pasta. Then I got a tray, this is a big tray of, oh, it's over here. This big tray of chicken legs, which I'm gonna cut up. I also got, I can't find, oh, ground beef. I just got that again. I got some ground beef for her. I got some chicken breast that's thawing in this water. So it's a mixture of stuff I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make her some curry chicken, stewed chicken. I'm gonna make her like a baked ziti in the oven, and then I'm gonna saute her some spinach with some string beans on the side. Also zucchini. I'm gonna cook up the zucchini with the whole wheat spaghetti and just mix it up real good. It's just like a full meal also. And then if I have some chicken breast, I can just put it in there and stir it up real good. The chicken breast I'm gonna do is stir fry. I'm gonna do some stir fry. I have some frozen veggies in the freezer. And then this tricolor rigatoni I'm gonna do with the ground beef. And the sweet potato, I am going to cook this with curry. You saw I have a video for that on my channel. With this with curry, with the chickpeas and the red beans. And this with the tricolor also. So that's what I have going on today. And I also got her some other little stuff for her to have at home. I got her some orange juice, some watermelon. This is just what it is. And then I got her some bagel, some everything bagel. 2 of those. I got her these she can snack on while she's at work. Just a little something to keep in her bag. I got her banana. And I also picked this up. These are really good. They're a little bit pricey, but they're good. And for her, it's worth it. I got her some crackers. This is apple. What is this? Sorry for the noise in the bag. Some peach, some tea, oranges. I just grabbed stuff that I thought that I got her some of these. She liked these, so I got this one. I know she liked that, and she liked this, and I got this one. So blueberry and golden oats, and I got her a bag of oranges right there, and some tea, peppermint tea and chamomile tea, and I got her some almond milk. So yeah, so I'm gonna start everything. I'm gonna get it prepping, the cooking, the washing, the cleaning, the seasoning, and when everything is done or throughout, I can pick you guys up and show you what I got. So yeah, it's what, 5 minutes to 11. So I'm gonna see how much I can do. I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee first. Have a cup of coffee and then see what I can get done. Yes, Mr. Aiden.
Can I take a photo of the bird movie?
Okay, family and friends, I am done. It's now after 2. So here is a stir fry with the lo mein and chicken breast and the whole wheat or the wheat pasta spaghetti. Some leftover curry chicken she can have. This is curry chicken and brown rice. This is the sweet potato with the red kidney beans and chickpeas and with curry and coconut sauce. This is leftover brown stew chicken. She have some leftover brown rice. Let me move this out the way. And this is the pasta with some veggie and the ground beef. I put those in 2 containers. Brown stew chicken with rice, brown rice, and the leftovers pasta. So basically everything had a little leftover of something. As far as the string bean and the spinach, I left those so she can saute when she wants. So yeah, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. So take care of each other, your friends, your family, love on each other. And until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you. Bye.